Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking out the Fireteam, Arrma Fireteam. I did a couple little mods to it. I put the speed spool in, or the speed gear in it. See if that works. I think it's a 16 tooth, maybe an 18 tooth. I can't remember what it is, guys. If I remember, I'll put it on the screen. I put 100K in the front. No. Yeah, 100K in the front diff, and then I put some earplugs in the center. I didn't quite lock up the center, but I put the earplugs in to make it thicker and harder to turn. So, and I left the back the way it was. I probably should have put 100 back there too, because it is really, it's only got like 10,000 in it. So, but yeah, we'll go from there and go do a little bash right now. So, sorry about the wind if it picks it up, but it's windy today. It's supposed to start storming tonight. Oh yeah, it's got some more power, that's for sure, doing that bigger pinion. Oh, and I also shoot glued the inside of the body. We'll see if that holds up or not. The screws were just pulling through. Oh yeah, it's got much more power, guys. Picks up the front end now. Yeah, this thing's great. I'm so happy I got this thing. Just needs a couple upgrades here and there, you know. I was gonna buy a bunch of stuff for it, but I'm just gonna run it till it needs it. Like the braces and stuff like that, you know. And the awesome thing about this car, oh yeah, the battery's kicking in now. The awesome thing about this car is that it keeps the chassis clean in the inside because of that body. Unlike like the Mojave, it gets so full of dirt. You can't, you know, when you come back, I mean, the thing's covered in dirt and leaves and whatever you're going through. The rock, all these rocks at the inside right now. And don't get me wrong, Mojave's a blast, but it's the fans get all clogged up. Yeah, thanks. Oh! Yeah. This thing's way better with that speed pinion in it. Oh. Oh. Ah, I hit a rock out there. Oh yeah, first backflip, guys. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.